Hey everyone, it's Andrea. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a vision board for your laptop. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I sincerely hope you enjoy the content. If it turns out that you do, I'd be really appreciative if you can give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button below to become a part of my YouTube family. Needless to say, guys, your support means the world to me, so thank you. Okay guys, let's get started. How to create a vision board for your laptop. Guys, I don't know why it's taken me this long to create a vision board. Now that I'm about to be 30, I'm finally creating my own vision board. But I'm not gonna freak out. The point of this is that I'm actually doing it. So, yay for me! And now, every time I open my computer to work, I'm literally like, let's get this. Good vibes only. I know what I want. Let's go after it. So if for whatever reason you still don't have one, or you don't know how to go about creating a digital vision board, guys, don't worry, I am here for you. And now to the more technical part. The website that I use to create my digital vision board is CANVA. And better yet, the free version of CANVA, because why not take advantage of the little free things that we have in this life? Okay everyone, I'm gonna start screen recording any second now so that you guys can see step by step exactly how I created my vision board on CANVA. So first things first, go ahead and get CANVA free. Once you've created an account, we're gonna go ahead and log in. Once inside, come down to this section below and we're gonna click to the right until you find the option that says desktop wallpaper. Go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, you're gonna find yourself with a plain white page, right? This is where the creation of your vision board begins. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of examples that you can use to get inspired to be able to create something of your own, right? So let's go ahead. I wanna separate my vision board within 4 sections. So in order to do so, I'm gonna come down to elements. Within elements, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down to grids. Click on grids, see all, and then we're gonna kind of scroll down until I find something. Here it is. Find a grid that you'd like, and as you can see, this has separated my plain white page into 4 different sections. You can change the colors of each section to whatever color you like by simply clicking on that section, coming to the left-hand side, clicking on the color, and choosing the color that you want, okay? So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna choose, maybe that gray is a little too dark. That'll be fine. So let's just go ahead and color them all the same for now. Okay, once you've done that, right, you have your 4 different sections. Now we're gonna go ahead and get out of grids, scroll back up to where you see frames. Click see all, and you're gonna go ahead and click on some frames that you like, whichever frames. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this frame. The purpose of a frame, guys, is that if you wanted to go and drag in a photo, right? Even your photo or some photos that you'll find in CANVA, you'll be able to drag in that image inside of this frame. Otherwise, the photo that you drag, whether it's yours or the one that you find in CANVA, will display on the entire section, right? And I'm gonna show you that example as well in a couple of seconds. And also, just so you guys are aware, you can change the outline of the frame by simply clicking on top of the color as well and switching the colors. Let's just go ahead and leave that. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Then we're gonna go ahead and choose a different frame. So I already did a square. Now I want to do, what do I want to do? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna choose a circle for this one, right? And I change the color of that circle to white as well. Just keeping things very vague, but again, you guys can create whatever you guys want. So once I've chosen 2 different frames, because this is where I want to drag some photos, right? We're gonna leave that as an example. And now we're gonna go ahead and head to photos. Click on photos, and within photos, you're gonna go ahead and type in whatever you want that specific section to be about. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna choose this section to be about health. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in health, and you can see a bunch of options coming down: health, healthy food, healthy, mental health. Let's go ahead and choose health. And you're gonna find a bunch of different free photos to choose from. Of course, you'll find ones that you cannot access because you have to get a paid CANVA account. But don't worry guys, beggars can be choosers. Let's just go ahead and sift through until we find a picture that we want, right? This is actually pretty cute. You have a nice well-balanced salad, you have some fruit, you have some protein. I like this. There it is guys. If you guys wanted to change exactly what you see within the frame, all you have to do is just double click it and just move the picture up and down, right? So that's perfectly fine. Now the next thing that we want to do is work on the different sections. For the sake of this tutorial, the second section will be about work, right? Let's type in work, and you're gonna find a bunch of different pictures, you know, showing laptops, a little cute coffee while you're working. I like that. But I want something that's, ooh, this picture's kind of nice. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and actually drag that entire picture within my vision board. So that's another option that you guys can do as well, okay? Instead of having like a plain background color, you guys can actually just simply drag the entire image into the section. You can do the same thing. Move the picture from side to side, up and down if it's big enough to fit where exactly you want it. So that's what I would like to see. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there. Let's say that this section will be about travel, right? So let's go ahead and type travel. And we're gonna do the same thing, guys. We're gonna find a picture that we like. Okay, let's see if we can find a nice white sandy beach. That's kind of cute. Okay, let's go ahead and drag that picture here. Double click on it because I would like to see a little more of the hat as well. And there you go. That's gonna be your travel section, right? We're gonna go ahead and move that to wherever you want. You can make it smaller, bigger, tiny, whatever you want. And then let's pretend that this section is gonna be about your dream home, right? So let's go ahead, search house. Oh, look at all of these options. Look at that. So let's just go ahead, look at that. Perfect option to begin with. Okay, so I pretty much have the layout of what I'd like my vision board to be. The next thing that we want to go ahead and do is add in some text. Click on text and you're gonna see that you have a bunch of different options as well to choose from. Let's just go ahead and drag this for the sake of the tutorial, right? We're gonna go ahead and delete that because I just want the cursive. It's really cute. And you can kind of type in vision, right? And then we do 2021. Kind of, you know, you make it your own style. If you don't want to do it necessarily in the middle, you don't have to do it in the middle. You can change the colors as well. So let's say that you want the color of this to be a red. We do not like that. This is very cute. I like this a lot. So let's go ahead and put that. I can still read it. There you go. If you wanted, you could also add some sort of effects to it. Remember, you can lift it, make it more intense. I personally like the shadow just because with the shadow, you're able to read it more clearly. What you have to do is just click on a different color. You see how that now pops out of the board? Look at that. That's perfect, actually. So let's just go ahead and leave that there, vision board, and we're gonna then add some more, right? Let's see, let's do here. I know I'm choosing like the most obnoxious fonts ever, but it's just as an example, guys. Okay. And we're gonna type in, oh, we're gonna make this, right. You can type in something cute like that, like business is thriving, right? Business is thriving. And then we can go back and add, and guys, you're gonna keep doing this until you finally start seeing your vision board come to life, right? So let's add something else to the travel. For example, you don't wanna go to a sandy white beach. Where would you like to go? Would you like to go to Finland? Would you like to go to Spain? So let's just, for the sake of this, let's type in, Okay, here we go. So you'll see a bunch of different elements that you can add. Let's go ahead and add the Finland flag. Make that a little smaller. We're gonna do it there, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt it to the side. There you go. And look at that, you have a bunch of other different options. Ooh, Austria, I've heard, is beautiful. So let's go ahead and add another flag, and we're gonna put this a little smaller. Okay, maybe that's too tilted. There you go, something like that, right? Boom, something that looks like that, okay? And then if you wanted to add more pictures, all you have to do is just get a couple of more frames and add the frames wherever you want. So let's say here, for example, I'd like to, I'm actually gonna, and you can put these to bring forward because I want that one to be forward, this one to be backwards, okay? There you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some text to that specific section, and I'm gonna put, dream destinations. Dream destinations, right? Just an example of something that you can type in. Dream destinations, you know, you can leave it there if you like, right? And for your house, let's go ahead and add a heading. Family house, right? Change the font to it. Look at that. Drag it over here, okay? Make it smaller, put it in the middle. Design your vision board how you'd like to envision your dreams, your goals, your wishes, everything you want. So for the health, I'm gonna go ahead and type in just to give you guys an example. And if you guys also wanted to, you realize how when you do type, there's a lot of space in between the words. You're just gonna go ahead and click on the spacing, line height, and you're gonna just alter that until however you'd like it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it there. And then this healthier is gonna be bigger. Healthy mind, body, right? Change the font to that however you like again. So let's do healthy, and then we're gonna do healthy mind, healthy body. We're gonna just drag that so that it's all around the same time, right? And so guys, this is pretty much an example of a vision board that you guys can create. I showed you how you can just simply drag photos if you like to a section. You can have an entire huge photo in the background if you like, instead of having different sections. There's plenty of different options to choose from, guys. So once you've created your vision board to the point where you think, okay, this is my actual dream vision board, it's gonna inspire me, it's gonna motivate me every single day that I see it, this is gonna be perfect, we're gonna go ahead and download it. Click on download, preparing your design. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up, and we're just gonna save it. I'm gonna do example vision board, right? And we're gonna save it to our desktop. Boom. Once that's saved, we're gonna go ahead, click on the little apple on the top left corner, System Preferences, and we're gonna go ahead and click on Desktop and Screensaver, right? You're gonna go ahead and open again what you just recently saved, and you're gonna just simply drag it, okay? And then you're gonna click on the example where it says Stretch to Fill Screen. Once you've done that, it should be all set to go. Let's double check. Look at that, guys. This is gonna be what you see on your laptop.